Hey, Tommy Detweiler here, Dave Sinclair Ford. I'm here with Justin Fuller, Bronco manager, reservation manager, and now the all-new electric F-150 manager. Now, this new F-150, it's the most powerful F-150 ever. It's not a hybrid, it's full electric. Justin's got a few more things to tell you about it.
Folks, we got great news. A new member of the all-electric family for Ford. This F-150 is going to have a front trunk. It's going to be the most aggressive F-150 they've made. Best acceleration.
Ooh, I need that.
Really,
I need
really
that
excited.
best acceleration. That's what I need.
Dual batteries.
Ooh.
You can charge it from your house. All the best technology.
No maintenance, right? Gonna be lower on maintenance, no oil changes. This thing's gonna be incredible. We just can't wait to get our hands on them. But the process has to start now with this new reservation system Ford has. I need you to click on this link that we're gonna put in here. Click this button, use your Ford account. If you don't have one, make one. It's a $100 deposit to put yourself online for the baddest truck we've ever had. Now, we know the market's crazy now, and we know things are definitely interesting here in our world. And we believe that gas is still gonna go up, and that could affect you. And this truck is gonna change the game for us. We're just so excited to be able to offer it to you now. But don't wait until later, it's only $100. Get in here, put your name in here now. If you have other questions, you can call us. We have Justin's email in here too, you can email him. He knows more about the truck than anything. We won't be able to order them until mid-2022, but if we've learned anything through this reservation process, is they go fast. So get in here, be early. It opens at 8:30 tonight, 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Right now, tonight, it opens. So we're sending you this a little bit early so you can be ready, because I don't want you to be waiting on the list. But 8:30 p.m., click on this link up here, get in there, bang it, hit your card for 100. You won't be disappointed. I can't wait to get mine. I'll be the very first one. I hope one of you beats me in line so you get yours before I get mine, just like the Bronco people did. But get on in here and let's get one. Talk to you soon.